in today's video, I'm repairing this pipe because we're gonna push this dirt mound back in and fill this. I don't know. They put field tile in here and never closed it up. And yeah, now this pipe's exposed. And this pipe right here, I don't know why. I guess just from being out in the elements, it kind of got destroyed or somebody stepped on it, who knows. But I'm going to put a repair on it. We're going to rebury this pipe. It's still, you can hear water, it still drains over there, but obviously not too well because I don't know, you can hear water going down it, but still a lot of water in this hole. So, but it's flowing. So, I'm going to do this repair real quick. This is a 6-inch pipe, and this is my repair. I just got an outside diameter sleeve for connecting them. I cut it because I could cut that out, but I might have issues pulling it together. So I'm just gonna go over it and then put my zip ties on. So Saul, if you can just hold it there, just like that. Don't hold very still. I got my 3 zip ties. I'm gonna pull them out, and like this, almost might need 2 of these to repair this. I might get a second one of these just because the damage is so wide. I'm gonna get a second one of these and do 2 of these side by side. I cut the pipe with the PVC saw, drilled 6 5/16 holes for these larger zip ties.
If you get here, you can hear all of that go down there. Like you can hear the sound effects.
Don't move.
But
Don't move the camera.
it's just literally like that.
So I got that in place. I'm gonna get one more and overlap that one down onto that good pipe just to make sure we don't have any weakness there in the pipe. And I'll cut those zip tie tails off. But it should be a good repair. Well, the water's gone down a lot in this trench. It was up to the top of that pipe right there, but I put a rock on top of the pipe down there and it brought the water level down. I'm gonna put one more of these couplers that I made on here, and then we're gonna bury this down in there. I don't know if you can see over there my wood pile. The Amish have been cutting. They're gonna work again tomorrow too. My wood pile is gigantic. So with this, I take these Lennox PVC ABS saw. I cut this in half, preferably in between the little locking notches that go on the ridges to hold it together. And I'm gonna take and cut it in half. done with that. And so I cut this as an outside connector. It goes outside the pipe, 6-inch pipe. And I'm gonna drill 3 holes that line up on each side. 5/16 because I'm using a little bit bigger ratchet strap. All right, then you can see there the holes. I'm gonna put zip ties through them, decent size ones, 3 of them, cut the tails off. And the pipe was exposed for a long time. There's a little section where you'll see that the pipe itself was starting to break down. You could see through it, so I'm strengthening. It's just in one spot. I'm strengthening it up with 2 of these. So I'm going to put it around the bad part of the pipe. The pipe's not actually separated. This would be used to join them together, one end in each side. And I gotta grab my wire ties. So it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but there was a section of pipe that was bad there. I could have cut it out and just put a connector in place, or a couple of them. But instead of doing that, it was the bottom of the pipe was bad. It was just the top of the pipe. It was starting to come apart. So I overlapped these 2 couplers, put the 2 outside couplers on, cut them, zip tied them down, and now we'll be ready to bury it. If you listen to that down there when I push down on this, you can hear the water start flowing more. But we're gonna fill this all in and fix this so we can use this ground. That's it. Thanks for watching my pipe repair.